How to enable Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will show you how you can enable Facebook Marketplace and what it really is. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable your Facebook Marketplace option, go ahead and then open up the Facebook application. And here you will find the Marketplace icon, which is basically looking like this home icon over here. You just need to go into this. Here you'll be able to shop all of the products. And if you want to post your own product, then you have to tap on the sell button. I'll show you a couple of products that I've posted and sold as well. So if I go to my profile section, you'll be able to see all of my listings on my Facebook Marketplace profile over here. So these are some of the listings that I posted previously, and there are many more, but I just happen to delete them. So if you want to actually also post it, you just need to go to the option called sell, and you have to select the item that you're selecting or selling, and then after that fill in the details such as adding photos, title, price, categories, the conditions, a little bit of description, tags, SKU number you want to list as single item or you want to list as a stock, and after that tap on the next button from the top right, and your whole product is going to be successfully posted to Facebook Marketplace as well. And that's all it takes to enable the Facebook Marketplace option. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.